When it comes to making the perfect cup of iced coffee, nothing quite compares to the smooth, refreshing taste of cold brew. If you're tired of watered-down iced coffee or the bitterness that often accompanies hot brewing methods, the Mueller cold brew coffee maker might just be the answer to your coffee woes. This 2-quart heavy-duty Tritan pitcher promises to deliver barista-quality cold brew and iced tea with ease, all from the comfort of your own kitchen. Let's dive into why this cold brew coffee maker stands out in a crowded market. One of the biggest selling points of the Mueller cold brew coffee maker is its ability to deliver a rich and smooth cold brew that is naturally 65% less acidic than traditional hot coffee. This reduction in acidity means that your coffee will be easier on your stomach and have a cleaner, sweeter flavor profile. The stainless steel filter maximizes extraction while minimizing sediment, ensuring that your cold brew is as smooth as possible. The difference in taste is noticeable from the first sip. Whether you prefer your cold brew black, with a splash of milk, or sweetened with a touch of vanilla syrup, the Mueller cold brew coffee maker allows you to craft a personalized coffee experience that rivals your favorite cafe. And the best part? You can make up to 8 cups of cold brew concentrate at once, so you'll always have some on hand for a quick caffeine fix. The Mueller cold brew coffee maker isn't just about great taste. It's also designed with convenience and durability in mind. The pitcher is made from heavy-duty Tritan plastic, which gives it a glass-like appearance without the fragility. It's shatter-resistant, BPA-free, and dishwasher-safe, making it a reliable addition to your kitchen that will last for years. One of the standout features of this cold brew maker is its ergonomic handle and easy-to-adjust lid. These thoughtful design elements make it easy to handle the pitcher, whether you're brewing, pouring, or cleaning. Pitcher is also designed to fit in your refrigerator door, which saves space and allows you to keep your cold brew fresh for up to 2 weeks. The stainless steel mesh core is another highlight of the design. Unlike other iced coffee makers that use plastic or low-quality metal filters, the Mueller cold brew coffee maker's filter is built to last. It won't rust over time or leave you with a metallic aftertaste in your coffee. Plus, it's removable, which makes cleaning a breeze. The Mueller cold brew coffee maker isn't just for coffee lovers. You enjoy experimenting with different flavors and beverages, this cold brew maker offers endless possibilities. You can use it to brew your favorite coffee grounds or loose-leaf teas, allowing you to tailor your beverages to your exact taste preference. For those who love to get creative, try adding spices like cinnamon or vanilla to your coffee grounds before brewing, or infusing your iced tea with fresh herbs like mint or citrus zest. You can even use the pitcher to create fruit-infused water or cold brew cocktails for your next summer gathering. The only limit is your imagination. One of the best features of the Mueller cold brew coffee maker is its simplicity. Brewing cold brew or iced tea is as easy as adding your coffee grounds or tea leaves to the filter, filling the pitcher with cold water, and letting it steep in the refrigerator. The longer you let it steep, the stronger the flavor will be. But you can customize your brew to your liking. Once you've enjoyed your cold brew, cleaning the pitcher is just as easy. The Tritan plastic is dishwasher safe, and the stainless steel filter can be easily rinsed out. The design also includes a self-cleaning function, which makes maintaining your cold brew maker hassle-free. Why choose Mueller? A brand you can trust. When it comes to kitchen appliances, quality matters, and Mueller is a brand known for delivering top-notch products. The Mueller cold brew coffee maker is no exception. Made with high-quality materials and designed to be both functional and durable, this coffee maker is built to enhance your brewing experience. Mueller also offers excellent customer support. If for any reason you're not satisfied with your purchase, they stand behind their product with a lifetime of support. This level of customer care ensures that you're making a risk-free investment in your coffee routine. Final thoughts. Is the Mueller cold brew coffee maker worth it? If you're a coffee enthusiast who values taste, convenience, and durability, the Mueller cold brew coffee maker is definitely worth considering. It offers a versatile brewing experience that allows you to enjoy both cold brew coffee and iced tea, with endless flavor possibilities to explore. The smart design, durable materials and ease of use make it a great addition to any kitchen, whether you're a seasoned coffee lover or just starting to explore the world of cold brew. Plus, the ability to make up to 8 cups of cold brew concentrate at once means you'll always have a refreshing beverage ready to go. Whether you're sipping on a glass of iced coffee on a hot summer day or enjoying a cold brew cocktail with friends, the Mueller cold brew coffee maker delivers quality and convenience with every brew. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.